Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome on board. This video continues my trip to the Côte d'Azur, south of France, with a train journey from Nice to Cannes, a walk through the streets of the city, and going down to La Croisette, the boulevard that runs along the seafront, where many of the finest hotels in the world are located. Hope you enjoy my journey through Cannes today. Please like, subscribe to my channel and share my vlog, and I welcome any comments that you put below. On with the video. Let's visit Cannes, Côte d'Azur, south of France. I'm leaving the hotel in central Nice and walking up to the railway station, which is about 10 minutes away. This is the shopping mall Nice Étoile. I bought my ticket online from the SNCF website, so I'm straight through the barrier and across to the platform where the train is waiting. All aboard and off we go to Cannes, arriving about 40 minutes later. Leaving the station, I walk down to Rue d'Antibes, which is the main shopping street. This is the Hotel Grey d'Albion. There's been a hotel on this site since the mid-19th century. This is the latest version. We're at La Croisette now, walking towards the marina. Hollywood stars on a banner to cover up the roadworks. A clever idea, I think. In this area are the hall where the film festival takes place, the casino and a conference centre. The oldest hotel on La Croisette, the Splendide. The size of some of these yachts is staggering, and there are so many. Across the marina is a view of the old town. Back along the boulevard now, and a walk past the high-end and designer labelled boutiques. The Majestic, a traditional hotel for film stars attending the Cannes Festival. Crossing over the road to the beachfront for a walk down to the end of La Croisette. All the hotels down here have their own bars, restaurants and water sport facilities on the beach. This is the Monjan Hotel, and next door, the Marriott. We're coming up now to the beautiful facade of the CARLTON CANNES Hotel. Of course it's famous for hosting movie stars during the annual film festival. Originally opened in 1911, it's recently been refurbished to the height of luxury and opened again in March this year. Let's have a look inside. Of course, the Carlton has its own beach club. So let's just walk to the end. We'll be passing the Miramar Hotel on the left. I'm going to turn back now, back to the station for the train to Nice. For joining me on my day trip from Nice to Cannes. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell to see all my new videos. Bye for now.